Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to create a quick destruction effect in Blender. So, just by the way, my Blender version is 2.90, not 2.0. So, if you have a older version of that, probably upgrade to the same one as mine, or later. So, let's jump into the tutorial. So, before we modify our starter cube, we're going to download an add-on. We're going to download, just enable it. So go to head on to preferences, go to the add-on section, and search for Cell Fracture. You're going to enable the add-on, and then you can close the preferences window. Next, you're going to, by selecting the cube, tab into edit mode by just clicking tab. Next, you just can right-click, subdivide, right-click, subdivide, or right-click, subdivide. Do that 3 times. Next, going to tab out of edit mode. And now you're going to select Object, Quick Effects, Cell Fracture. So this basically is going to like break the object we're selecting into multiple chunks, like cracks or something like that. So now if you just leave everything as it is, just click on OK. And as you see, is it breaking our object into multiple cell fractures. So now if we disable the cube, you can also just delete it. We have this cube. Now if we play, nothing actually happens. But this C, we can select multiple of the objects, and it's still the same cube, but just cracked. So the first thing you have to do is you're going to select all of the cube cells, and then you're going to go to Object, Rigid Body, and Add Active. Then you're going to select Shift A, Mesh, and Plane, and to scale the plane, move it on the Z axis. And now let's move it a bit down. Okay, next go into the object of the plane and select rigid body and add passive. And now if you click play, the object is going to shatter when it hits the ground. Okay, so this is a working effect. So now if we also, one of the cool things that if you reverse this timeline is like from the shatter it goes back into a normal way. Okay, it's great. So that's how to create a destruction effect in Blender. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and also please join my Discord server. And thank you for watching the video again. I hope you enjoyed it, and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.